Welcome to our video part 2 of drawing rose step by step. So remain tuned till last. The first thing is to observe your reference as carefully as possible. See the colors, shadows, highlights, and think what to do to create that effect. See the reference. The lightest color is face. Always in pencil color, start with applying base color, means doing with the lightest color. Then see the reference. We can see pink color in the edges. That is giving soft look to the drawing, leaving some area as highlight. Try to blend the pencil color smoothly by moving your hand in circular motion. Now again, observe the reference. We can see ochre yellow color in some part which is giving warmth to the drawing. Here our first layer is completed. In second layer, just dark the colors which we had applied in the first layer, but keeping in mind, apply the color wherever required, not everywhere. Always try to correct all the things before detailing. Work on shadows, giving more deepness, etc. For that, observe your reference carefully. Highlight and shadows are the only thing that give realism and beautifulness to the drawing. So always try to do them properly with patience. Now the time for detailing. In detailing, just use red, then brown, then black for giving more deepness. Most of us do black directly in the shadows or used to give deepness, but it is not satisfying. Always do some dark color before giving black on it. So here come our final drawing. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. Do not forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button for more art tutorials.